everyone! I think many people struggle with making a balanced timetable and sticking to it enough to make a habit out of it. And because of that, they aren't able to get to their goals. So, I've brought to you this video to help you design a balanced timetable. So let's begin. There are two things you need to know before you go forward with your timetable. The first is to set a sleep cycle. Your sleep cycle will set the working and the sleeping hours of your timetable. Are you an early bird or night owl? Well, whatever time is productive for you, do plan your timetable accordingly. And stay consistent to this cycle. Because if you mess up, your sleep-wake cycle will fall apart and you will not have the energy to focus on the things you want to do. Number 2. Study breaks are okay. Most people are aware of how long they can study with 100% concentration. In case you're not, notice it the next time you study. For most people, this varies from 20 to 30 minutes, after which you should always take a short break. Don't force yourself to study if you just can't face it. Take a break, read something else, do something different, and then when you come back to studying, you will feel much better. You can do this either by writing it down or by using an app. That's entirely your wish. The basic structure is the same. You have 2 columns for the time and the task. The way to go about it will be by dividing time for the core activities for which you always have to be consistent. For example, if you're a student whose main focus is studying, out of your 24 hours, you have to sleep for a minimum of 6 hours, study for the same, and eat for, let's say, 1 hour for each meal. Now, you're left with 9 hours. You can use this time for everything else that you want to do. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and in case you wish for me to elaborate on any of these points, let me know by commenting below. In case you want help with to-do lists, please watch my last video. Thank you for watching this video. For more, you can subscribe to my channel Leave Lethargy and be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye!